Hello everybody, welcome back. This video is a quick walkthrough of the Delegate website version. So go, if you can click on the link in the description below, or you can type in Google delegate.now.co.uk. So as you can see, this is where you can select add your location, so you can get services, so you can contact providers near your area, and you can also search for services directly, and or you can go to the services section to find them all there. But if I keep on scrolling down, these are our featured services, and if I keep on scrolling down, you'll have our top categories, which is one of the most used categories by our customers. And let me just accept these cookies first. And if I continue scrolling down, you will have top related services, which is mostly used by customers as well. And these are the featured services. And continue scrolling down, you can contact us by email or phone number, and when customers leave reviews, they can be found here. And scrolling down, you can download our, if you prefer using Android or iOS, you can download our customers app, which is highly recommended. So yeah, that's a quick walkthrough of the web page. As you can also see here, there are also some services down here that are featured, and which you can directly click on to make a booking if you wanted to. And moving on to the category section, you can see all our categories here. There are over 200 different categories to choose from online services to in-person services. So yeah, you literally find anything here. And if you go on the services, you can see all our services down here, where you can search for best selling or top rated services. It just show you the services that are top rated, or you can do best selling, and you can search it directly and reset. And moving on to the next section is the blog section, where you can come and read our blogs. So for instance, if I click on this one, you can find really useful information by our providers. And if I click on the provider sections, you can find all the list of our providers down here, which you can choose. You can click on their profiles and find their services directly. So for instance, let me go to find a provider with more services in their list. So as you can see here, all these services, you can like them, like, and then go to your likes here and find all the liked services down here. And you can also find your bookings down here. The bookings you've made, they will all be visible up here. And if you wanted to log into your backend, you just click on your profile and go to dashboard, where you can find all your bookings as well, payments that you've made. So yeah, that's a quick walkthrough as a customer or as a user in our website. Thanks for watching.